Welcome, tech enthusiasts and developers. Today we're bringing exciting news about an upcoming project from Third Eye Cyborg. Third Eye Cyborg is a company focused on utilizing cutting-edge technologies to create amazing applications and educational content. We are passionate about helping people learn and leverage modern tech stacks and tools. We're excited to announce a new application in development, Expertit. Expertit is going to be a revolutionary marketplace specifically designed for Replit experts. For those unfamiliar with Replit, it's an incredible browser-based coding platform that makes programming accessible to everyone. Expertit will connect two types of users: clients looking to have Replit projects completed by professionals, and developers seeking expert assistance with their coding challenges. Whether you need a complete project built, are stuck on a specific problem, need code reviews, or want to learn best practices, Expertit will be the go-to platform for finding the right expert to help. Built using Replit itself, Expertit will feature AI-verified expert profiles with ratings and reviews, seamless integration with Replit workspaces, secure payment processing, real-time collaboration tools, and a knowledge-sharing community. Meanwhile, as Expertit's beta releases, Third Eye Cyborg is launching the beta version of TEC-Head. TEC-Head is an AI-driven technology course, tutorial, and troubleshooting guide building and hosting platform for creating custom, engaging, interactive, embeddable, and shareable learning resources. This is where you come in. We are actively looking for beta users to test TEC-Head and provide feedback that will shape the development of the platform. As a beta tester, you'll get early access to the platform, direct communication via Discord, the opportunity to influence feature development, and exclusive benefits when TEC-Head launches. If you're interested in becoming a beta tester for TEC-Head, visit the website at techhead.thirdeyecyborg.com. You'll receive information about how to join the beta program. At Third Eye Cyborg, the philosophy is think, build, enjoy. Using modern technologies like Figma, Replit, Notion, GitHub, and more to create intuitive and powerful applications that solve real problems. Thank you for your continued support of Third Eye Cyborg. We are incredibly excited about Expertit and can't wait to share it with you soon. Don't forget to check out our content on YouTube, Spotify, Medium, and follow us on social media for regular updates. Remember to never stop coding your mind. Sign up for the newsletter today at thirdeyecyborg.com to get updates on Expertit and for more information on joining the TEC-Head beta program.